Hello, dear children. Welcome back to Uma Talks. And here we are with the writing section of Standard 11th English. Okay, so notice we have already done, and today we are going to start with poster. So let us talk about poster. Let us know everything about the poster. So this is poster writing. Okay, so the first thing, what is a poster? Poster is normally a combination of notice, advertisements and invitations, everything in one. It is like announcing and advertising together. Okay, and what is the purpose of poster? That is to create social awareness. That is what? To create social awareness about any issues which is taking place, either problems or needs, or to advertise anything in public, and also to invite people. Okay, some fete is taking place, invite, suppose school sports is taking place, for that is, and display notice. What drafting posters, what all things are required? That it should be colorful, attractive and tempting. That you should take care. And the first thing, they must be drafted carefully to attract the attention of the readers, isn't it? Only when the readers will be attracted, they will go and view it, and then they will come for the program. Excite their imagination and influence their minds. Okay, so these things are to be kept in mind. The second is, posters are read from a distance. So do not give many details in a poster. Okay, now like it shouldn't be a very detailed one, just solid, whatever the points have to be mentioned, that, and highlight only the important issues. What are the main features of a poster? The first one is layout, second is content, okay, third is expression. Now what is layout? Layout, that is, it should be eye-catching, attractive. Okay, you can also use slogans or jingles or short poetry, some verses, okay, poetic lines, that can be done. And letters of different sizes means small alphabets, big alphabets, and even the designs can be used, the shapes can be altered. Okay, and the content it should have, that is the subject of the poster, the theme should be there. Okay, description or details associated with the theme, whatever the theme, suppose fete, then fete ka pura jo details jo chahiye, description, that must be there. And third point, essential details like time. Children, this you should note down: time, date and venue. Venue is the place where it is going to be held. Okay, that event is going to take place. So this should be there: time, date and venue. And then name of issuing authority. Suppose some function is going to be held in the school, the school will be the issuing authority. The school karega. Okay, the organization, whatever it is. Yeah, some governments it is, state government to state government karega. Okay, Nagar Palika to Nagar Palika, whatever it is, the issuing authority. Then expressions, that is phrases, slogans, persuasive language, whatever, simple sentences we don't write. Then overall organization and sequence of the matter. Observe word limit 50 words. Creativity is normally seen in these poster making. ठीक है, और main 3 points, the title should be catchy, suggestive means eye catching, sketch or simple drawings also can be done, and proportionate spacing is space between the words. Okay, so these are just the format you can say. Okay, and let us do one example. Let us come to one of the examples. Okay, it is design a poster from your school fete. You may use slogans, do not exceed 50 words. So what is this, children? This is like a fete. Okay, so this is for your school fete. So this is what is the title. जो ऊपर का जो टाइटल है, दिस इज टाइटल. टाइटल इज कैपिटल. ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय, दिस इज द स्कूल, सो सेंट जॉन स्कूल आगरा. योर स्कूल इट इज कार्मेल कॉन्वेंट सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल अमलई. इन एड ऑफ अर्थक्वेक विक्टिम्स. सपोज वी ऑर्गेनाइज फेट फॉर पुअर फंड, तो हम वहां पे हेल्पिंग पुअर वो लिखेंगे ऑन द डेट एंड the day and the date. Okay, so that is there. From what time the fete will be held, that time at school campus. Okay, a day of fun and frolic, a day of enjoyment, anything can be written. और क्या क्या उसके attractions रहेंगे, वो fancy dress, snack stalls, gymnastics, shooting, merry-go-rounds, electronic games, lucky draw. All those children, those who have studied in the school, you know how we used to have the fete in the school. तो ये सारी चीजें हम वहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं. Come one, come all, entry by tickets, and help a noble cause. The most important thing is that it is put in a box. So the box has to be there. Got it, children? So very simple. So this is what is poster writing. Hope you must have understood. Thank you all. Thank you for watching. Thank you.